Philippines. Today is Monday. The last, is it? Like January, February? No, second last day to the month, to the end of the month. So today is March 30th. And before I begin, let me start off with usual disclaimer. If I can find it once again. Hold on. I don't like this when I can't find it. Hold on just a minute. Here we are. So anyways, any comments made in this recorded webinar should not be taken as an order to enter trades, nor should it be considered as trading advice. This recorded webinar is strictly for educational purposes only to illustrate how we trade DTA's Congressive System. Any past performance of DTA's Congressive System is not indicative of future results. I must emphasize that I'm neither a licensed nor professional trading advisor. I am merely a retail trader like everyone else. And once again, this recorded webinar is strictly for educational purposes only. So with that said, like I had mentioned in my post, I blew my account on Thursday. I mean, so Friday, and the reason I blew it was because I was trying out a new system, right, to do swing trading on the micro ES. I did that. I blew it because I fell asleep, left my orders open, but I knew where it was going. But anyways, I still lost maybe $400 and I blew my trading account or trading combine. So now I reset it because if I had to go back to step one of this trading combine, Top Step Trader, it's TST's Top Step Traders Combine, and I had to go back to step one, then I would not have what I call reset. I reset it because I basically start off at step two again. So basically, step two, once I pass step two, should I say, reach a $1,000 profit, then I get funded $10,000. So rather than taking the whole test, I just basically retest and try to pass step two. Then that's what I liked about it. So that's the reason why I retested. Now, this will be my last retest, because if I can't get this consistent, then there must be something wrong with the way I trade, correct? So anyways, I was able to basically tweak a system that I was testing out. I tested it on Friday. I ended up losing $11, so basically break even. But I just tweaked more over the weekend, and I think I finally got it. And I had a trade during the overnight session, and this is a continuation of the second trade that I took. Basically, I took it down here. I'll show that to you. Wait, let me see if we can get my naked chart first. So here's the naked chart, right? So you can see we have an up movement from the beginning. We had what you call a gap, opening gap downwards. What happened was, now it filled the gap, and that's what it did, but it's still going up. So we have an upward trend that's going on. Now, if I put this on here, let me see if I can find it here. It will show you where I enter the trades. Okay, so let me see. I mark it here. Marker right there. So right there, you see this right here and right there. So let me do this. Maybe I should just make this even better here so you can see it. If I enter the buy, let me see here. Buy. I want to make that maybe spring green. Yep, that'd be better. And magenta, that'd be good. Okay. There. So I sold here. Is just one trade, right? Right here. Sold right here. Went right down the line. I could have gotten more, but I just was being conservative. So basically, I was around 35 ticks. When I calculated, it was like 35. So let's put it at 35. There. So that was basically 35 ticks, right? Or 35 ticks, 35 points. So now you can see here where I entered right here. My target is somewhere up here. In fact, if I put this here, I think it will actually give me where my target is, right? I think, let me see, here. Chart trader, okay, hidden. Right there. So basically there it is. This is only my second trade, and I am looking, let me do this. Properties, I'm forgetting where that is. Here we are. Huh. Wait, I can't, why can't I see this here? Price. That's weird. Because usually when I get to the price here, I can actually get to the margin here because I'm trying to set the margin. Tag for, nope, that's what I don't like. It's not showing me where I can show, which is really weird. But anyways, I'm trying to make the margin here. That's what I'm trying to do. I think here, this is where it is. Yeah, here we are. 100. There we are. So there it is. This may look, but right now I have my trailing stop right here. Either way, but I feel confident. We'll see what happens. It's going to be bouncing off. What is this? This is the another VWAP here. It's basically the 1 degree, or should I say 1 deviation. This is plus 2 deviation. Okay, so my target is still there. I'm confident about that. We'll see. So anyways, this is the VWAP, this middle one here. We're above the VWAP, so basically your trend is going up. That's what it means, okay? So let me get this out. And let me see here. Yes. So that's what we're looking at. Now in terms of news, there's none. In fact, there is really nothing. It was President Trump who spoke earlier this morning, Philippine time, around 6 a.m. And that's about it. So we'll see what happens here. I have my trailing stop right here. What else? Yeah, that should be it. In fact, I can just maybe stop here. I'm going to see how far this is going to go. And with that said, I'm going to put this on mute, and I'll talk to you guys later. So there, guys, stopped out on that. I'm expecting this to go down maybe to the what we call the VWAP. So we'll see what happens there. But my 2 trades right now, we can find it here. Hold on. Hold on a minute. Let me find if I can find it. Hold on. And there it is. 2 trades, 1 and 2. I'm up 275 net. That would be 272.60. Not bad. So I'm waiting for another trade here once I see a setup. So let me put this back on mute. We'll see if we can have a setup here and see if we can do one more trade. Okay. guess my NinjaTrader crashed. Let me do something here. So I know where my trade is. Just do something here. Let's see here. So I can prevent this from. Anyways, while I'm doing this, 1, 2, 3, 4. Okay, so here we go. Blowing this up, we'll see how far it goes. Just trying to load my indicators there. Hold on. NT8 is crashing on me. I have no idea why. I think there is something on here.